Hello, I'm Kristof, and I'll be your teacher trainer for today. If you've ever felt that teaching grammar can sometimes be challenging or that grammar practice doesn't always get the engagement you would like, then this workshop is for you. My Grammar Games and Activities workshop is an 8-hour, full day long, highly practical, hands-on session where we explore creative ways to teach any grammar point through games and interactive activities. We'll look at how to use pictures, video, songs, and role plays to make grammar clearer, more engaging, and far more meaningful for the students. You'll discover how to turn traditional grammar tasks, including those boring gap fills, into lively activities that encourage communication, thinking, and the real use of language. We'll also work with games designed for specific grammar points, so you can straight away use them in your next grammar class. Just like all my workshops, it isn't about theory or long explanations, it's about doing. You'll experience the activities from the student's point of view, reflect on them, share them with other teachers, and express those ideas you have about them. By the end of the session, you'll walk away with some practical tools, fresh ideas, and activities you can immediately use in your next grammar lesson with learners of any age or any level. I'm really looking forward to working with you on Fridays. See you soon.